So this is the update for the 2013 Audi S4. I just got it washed up. So where do I start? I just finished up the front with the new grille, new fog light accents, the new fog light cover, mesh covers, and the new bottom lip there. Pretty slick. Looks good. And it's not carbon fiber. The carbon fiber was just too expensive, so we made the front kind of like all gloss black. The back is all carbon fiber, but that's just how that worked out. Engine bay still very clean, full bolt on, dual pulley. I have the Red Star test pipes, so that's fun. But the exhaust, it came with an Armytrix valve exhaust system, which is not cheap. So, but it was just too loud even in silent mode. So I had to chop up the Armytrix exhaust, and for where the X pipe was, I put a Borla resonated X pipe muffler. And for these rear mufflers, I put in two 18-inch Magnaflows, and I put some carbon fiber tips down there. They're looking nice. Okay, I gotta focus, something like that. Yeah, there we go. Some carbon fiber tips, looking pretty nice. So it sounds good. There was a muffler in the middle, somewhere around here, that I kept on the Armytrix exhaust. So total, there's four, count them, four mufflers on there. So once you have the test pipes, man, it makes it really loud and kind of unbearable if you don't have enough mufflers down there, quality mufflers. So the sound is great. It can be a little bit drony in the car, but I would take that drone over that crazy rasp, and it hit like every time like clockwork, right around 2800 RPM. The rasp was absolutely crazy. So I traded out all the massive amount of rasp, even in silent mode, traded that out for a little bit of drone inside the cabin. I had to do a custom kind of bracing because I blew through a flex pipe, so I had to make a little bit of a bracing where that resonated Borla X pipe muffler was, because it was just getting too heavy to help support it on the frame, which kind of just gave a little bit of vibration inside of the cab. But really, I don't mind. It's kind of broken in a little bit now, so it's fine. But we're gonna set you up, and it's pretty cold right now, and a little cold start and a little rev. I'm not gonna be able to rev it too much because the friggin' engine's cold, so I'll give you a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is take two for the exhaust sound clip. Had a bit of some technical difficulty when trying to. The sound just came out way too distorted, so this time I'm flipping the microphone around, and we'll see how that goes, because it was just entirely too loud. And I'm gonna start it up from inside the garage and back it up into here, so at least anything that just to stop blowing out my microphone here. So we'll try it again.